Go live. Okay, let's move that across here. What are we looking for? Let's start with gold. Gold's we were looking for potential sells underneath here. It's not materialized, but let's flip is on here. Damn it. Could we get the flip? Well, if we got 27 points, I'm going to leave that above the high. 35 points. Okay, so I'm just trying to look for potential opportunities here. So we have closed above this. The 15-minute, we've seen a bit of a rejection candle. 30-minute, we've seen a candle close above. We're probably going to run up into this area here. So what I'm going to look for, guys, I'm going to see if price can come back down, tap into this area. If we can come back down, tap into this area, then I'll look to buy above the high of the candle. But who else we got here? Market Link, good afternoon. Pierre Boyson, good afternoon. Hall Brothers, bloody hell. Doing this while driving, mate. Hey Sam, how you doing? Um, he's on his way. Bullish on gold today. Yeah, I think so. But we'll see. I want to see if price can come down, tap. Um, let's start with the higher time frame quickly. The problem I have with gold on the let's get rid of everything. Problem I have with gold on the higher time frame is let's zoom in so you can all see. Is all this. You see how price is just consolidating. The opens and closes for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days have all been very, very close to each other. So when it's like this, 4160 as your target. Okay, good luck, buddy. Let's hope it gets there for you. Um, I just don't like it while it's inside of the wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside. So for me, gold is not something I want to hold. It's something I want to look at on the lower time frame and trade it from, let's say, range to range. Uh, and just looking for that clear candle space. So as you look on the 4 hour, we're seeing price pushing up. It's come up, it's tapped the 4 hour resistance. So not ideal. Drop into drop into the 1 hour. We've closed above this minor resistance here. Next resistance is here at 4108. So I still think price can push up. Oh, it's Big Harvey. Okay, so we've got pseudonyms, aka. All right. What was I just going to quick look at? Forex Factory. We've had a couple of trades today on the DAX, but nothing. Okay, so no news today. Nothing worth getting too excited about. Mike, good afternoon. So, like I was saying, guys, we're just going to see if we can find potential opportunities here. Hi Anna, hi Vic, how are we doing? Potential buy above this high, I think, to run into 4108. Yeah, I'm going to put a buy stop in above the high of this candle here and look to run it up towards 4090. Okay, so let's put this one in here. Oops. Right. Let's just make it. Market pending. Okay, orders going in. Okay, let's put partial TP in. Let's give it 200. Okay, so orders in. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Sadie, Enrique Lopez, Sir Emmanuel, Trolley Happy, welcome back. Matthew Ratcliffe, Con, Mrs. Smith, sorry. Ethos, Gold Sniper FX, Darius, good afternoon, good afternoon. Right. Also, last week's winner, Ebenezer, got a hold of him. He is going to be joining the membership for 1 month. Today it is giveaway day. 2 o'clock. We are giving away um, a funded account from Instant FX Capital. So guys, if you haven't yet entered the competition for a funded account, it is a giveaway, so you don't have to pay for anything. It is purely, you just have to click your details and fill it in. That's it. If that's too much hassle, then obviously you're not going to be in with a chance of winning. Now, one thing I do ask is if you are going to be entering the competition, please give your right details. If you give the wrong phone number, you give the wrong email address, you won't win, and you are going to make sure no one else can win it either. So, uh, if you haven't yet entered the giveaway, guys, all you need to do is where's my let me find the links for you. I keep saying I'll save these somewhere where they're more accessible, and I keep forgetting. Copy link. Okay, so here you go, guys. Link has just been shared in Big Harvey. First time here, Juan Carvalho. Welcome, buddy. So maybe you could be a lucky winner. So we're going to give away a instant funded account today. It's a 3K instant funded account that you can trade up to 60,000 based on performance. There's no challenges. All you have to do is hit 20% target, you get your first payout, then your account will be doubled. It's a static 10% drawdown. It doesn't move up as your account balance moves up. So if you're interested, guys, click that link. Make sure you are in with a chance. I'll do the draw at 2 o'clock. Let me see who's missing from uh, the wheel of fortune, as we can call it. Let's have a look. So the last name that we entered on here was. Now remember, guys, if you've completed if you've done it before, so the last one I think was, no, it wasn't Rachel. If you've done it before and you've entered your details, you don't need to do it again. You do not need to do it again. Okay. So the last one was Ribetswe. So if we have any new entrants, oh, we've got Edison's entered twice, so we don't need to do Edison again. Steve Ford. Let me just put Steve on. I don't think he's on there. Where's the wheel? Where's it disappeared to? Okay. Let's add Steve. Mr. Ford. Okay, you're in there. So guys, you got what? 45 minutes left to drop your name and details in there. There's there's no you don't have to pay for anything. It's literally fill out your name, fill out your email address, fill out your phone number and what level of trader you are. Bray Dimmock has just entered. Let me check, see if got you on there. Let me update the forms. And here comes the update. Let's have a look. Just pulling all the details through now. Now, just remember, you got the highest probability chance of winning earlier on. Bray and Juan have just entered, so let's add Bray. Bray's intermediate, and Juan Camilo is intermediate as well. So let's add Bray. Juan and Constantines has just entered as well. Just add you. So we've got add. So we've got England, Colombia, and UK, three latest entries into this. Now we're waiting for gold to potentially push high. We've got a buy stop pending on gold. So look, simple reason for this trade is market structure. We've broke and closed above structure. We moved up initially, not interested in the move up initially. We're waiting for the market to wick down. It's come down, grabbing liquidity, attracting buyers. Now what we want to see is the market going to break its own high? And if it does break its own high, we'll push up, fill the range of the previous candle, then hopefully run on and go through this clear candle space here and test that resistance level there. At which point we'll come out of the market. Okay. Like I say, I'm not interested in take the lows and selling at the highs. I will just take my little bits of movement. Omar's just entered from UK. Welcome. Thanks for the entry. Uh, Steve Watson, good afternoon. Now remember, guys, we've got quite a few new entries in today. It is anyone that's on the Wheel of Fortune. So this one here, if you've not yet entered your details, do so, and I will spin that wheel at 2 o'clock, and you'll be entered into a free giveaway of a 3K to 60K trading account. No challenges, instant funding. Oh, so once you've done it, and in order to do that, guys, I'll just pin the comment on both. TikTok, I've just pinned the comment. YouTube, I'll pin the comment as well. Maybe I won't if it allows me. Oh, what's going on? Pin message. There you go. So I've pinned it on YouTube, pinned it on TikTok. Hey, Callum, how you doing? Yeah, we've got a buy stop on gold right now. So we'll see what happens. Hey, Helena. I don't know that next. Oh, let's go back. Okay, so we're looking for potential buys on gold. Buys on gold. Buy stop is in. Um, yeah, buy stop is in. You've got 43 minutes left to enter the free giveaway today, guys. So like I said, if you are going to join the giveaway, make sure you give the right details, because otherwise you're not just ruining it for yourself, you're ruining it for everyone else that's entered. Because I won't do a respin. Okay, so gold is getting close to getting triggered. We've got a 20 pip first take profit, which is just underneath the tip of the previous candle's wick. Uh, Big Harvey, don't even mention it. Yesterday was horrendous. Kind of makes me want to stop watching football. Absolutely horrendous. I knew someone would mention it today. My phone has been blowing up. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to the stream. Yeah, we've got a pending order on gold here. So look, we've had a breakout above 40,075. We're now seeing the market. It moved up initially, then we've created a bottom wick, and we're looking for it to break its own high and then push up, fill the range of the previous candle, and then move up and potentially fill the next zone. And if you look here, we've got clear candle space to trade into. So look, uh, uh, you said 3-1. You might have done, mate. For like, it might as well have been 6-1. It was a horrendous performance. Guys, while we're on stream, let me know where you're registering from today. What part of the world are you logging in from? Yeah, we've got buy stops on gold right now. NASDAQ could be quite interesting. If we break above here, I'm all over the NASDAQ. So we've got 10 minutes left for maybe NASDAQ setup. Oh, gold, I think, has triggered. Yeah. Okay, so gold is triggered. See if we can get our 20 pips. Uh, Hi, Fraser. How we doing? Yeah, we're a few pips down at the minute. Oh, a few more now. So we broke our own high. Right, let's just bring this up underneath structure right now. So gonna do this on a couple of accounts. Just bring it up underneath the structure. Okay. So 15 pips auto break even. Um, if I see 15 pip profit, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. My 70% rule. Something I adhere to in these tight ranges. See if we can start the week off with a flyer. There we go. Nice 20 pips. Secured and done. So now we're at break even. Let's go. Let me know if you took the trade, guys. I'm gonna do 50 pips TP2. And then I tell you what, let's see if we can really let it run. And gonna get pinged at break even. Let's close it. Let's just push this up to cover any commissions. Let me know if you got your 20 pips there, guys. There is a delay on YouTube. I can't help you there, guys. Apologies. Um, I've got it on the lowest latency there is. So hopefully you got that. Let's have a look. So we just $557 just banked. Let me know if you jumped in on that, guys. TP1 at 20 and out at break even. Lovely. Well done, Anna. Well done, Anna. So, Anna, I think that's your day done now. Oh, I'm calling it your day done now. That should be your. Has that hit your target that we were talking about a minute ago on our coaching session? Have we hit the magic marker we were discussing? If so, awesome. Right. So guys, TikTok, let me know if you got the 20 pips. If you got the 20 pips, just let me know. Have you entered? Yeah, we entered and closed. We got 20 pips and we got 20 pips and then stopped at break even. So apologies if you missed it. But Darren Stafford, TP1, well done, guys. Well done, well done. Um, okay, let's watch NASDAQ because NASDAQ will be the next one. This will be, if I'm going to take another trade, it'll be this one. Now, the other thing we have today, guys, as well, is we have um, just a few days left of our Harvey W. Why did you not wait for it to go above the wick for entry? Because I was using a flip. I was using a flip. So just remember, guys, I mean, we all have slightly different ways of doing things. If I have a deep retracement, I want to buy the high of the current candle. Okay, so slightly different. I will explain it. At Will4155, I watch on YouTube and listen on TikTok as there is less of a delay. Okay, awesome. There you go. And nearly there, 0.2% with that trade. 0.8 for the day. Okay, yeah. So you got okay. Ideally, we're looking for another $20 for you, Anna. And then, but listen, if it doesn't come, it doesn't come. So good question, Harvey. So essentially, right. Um, if this was the candle, right? I can't draw it on here. Where's trading view? In fact, let's wait till after this one. Perfect start to the week, requesting my biggest payout now. Awesome, Harvey. What what we talking? Are we four figures or five figures? Okay, so we're waiting 4 minutes for this candle to potentially close above here. Amazing. Amazing. Well done, buddy. Well done. So yeah, as I was saying, we are just 1 week or less than a week now till we close the lifetime offer. So anyone that's interested in joining the Mark Owen Concepts community, um, we've got an pay for 1 year and you get a lifetime access. I did this a couple of years ago, and you know what? Of the people that joined a couple of years ago, most are still actively trading. Some have actually even joined my inner circle community. Okay, so it gives you an insight. Yeah, for those of you that really, really want to take your trading seriously, and remember, taking trading seriously doesn't mean you've got to trade every second of every day. Less is more. It's about waiting for the right setup, waiting for the market to come to you and not for you to come to the market, and then we take the trade. So how many of you would like to be, I don't know, what's your goal? Omar, I'd like to see retest of 4065 on gold before I enter long. What's your opinions on this? Let's have a look. 4065. Down here. Um, See if it gets down here for me, Omar, right? I'm going to be looking for shorts. If we get a close below here for 63, I'm going to be looking for shorts. Um, Now buys, I'm not interested now on gold. My buys on gold are I wanted this to move. So my next buy trade for gold would be uh, probably 40.90. Yeah, I'd look for a breakout above here if it comes, or a false break from that price. So I'd look for a breakout or false break from that price. Hey, no worries. What's the inner circle? The inner circle is just we only have 6 people in there. We've got 2 spaces open. It's starting from the 1st of January. It's a 1-year program. Um, you get any courses, events, all included. Mentored by me every week, an hour every week. Um, it's a high ticket program, so it's only for people that um, are really, really committed. There'll be literally 2 to 3 people added every sort of six months. It's not a 6 to 12 months. It's not for everyone. Most people will get will get more than enough out of being a member. Yeah. A member, you get loads and loads of information. You'll be sick of hearing my voice and Nolan's voice. And I've got another guy called Adam who runs a few things in the community for us. But we're non-stop. We're non-stop. It's all about making sure. Look, I'm doing free streams every day just for you guys, regardless, right? And this is going to cut down in the new year, by the way. It is going to cut down in the new year. Um, I will still do them, maybe 2 or 3 a week. Question is, I think it's going to be more. There might be a little shift in my scheduling. On what I'm doing. But yeah, there'll always be live streams from me, guys. The question is when I'm going to do it. And this is going to come down to what my members want the most. So if my members want the US Open most, I'll do that for them. If my members want the London Open the most, I'll do that for them. And then everything else that I do free on the side for everyone else, that'll come down to what my members want. Um, Can I say how many figures to the price? Harvey, yeah, so for the inner circle, it was 12 grand. So now, when you work it backwards, in terms of the hours that I commit to the guys, it's actually a good deal because my one-to-one coaching is, if you were to add up the amount of hours, is more expensive. Okay, NASDAQ. Interestingly, we are breaking the highs on one broker, but not on the other. Juan, full close for me. Awesome. Let's have a look at the DAX. Okay, the DAX it is setting up for buys, but I don't like this wick here. Yeah, gold is off the radar for me. We're waiting for a breakout on NASDAQ. NASDAQ breakout will be my preference. If we go to the daily time frame, last week, for those of you that were on the live stream on Friday, you remember I was saying, watch out for NASDAQ to respect the 24 level. Now, for those of you that were here, I said I'm not trading it because I've got to go. But anyone that did take the setup that I shared will have absolutely smashed it Friday afternoon. Okay. Is there anyone that was here on Friday afternoon that took that trade? What's this? Okay, yeah, no problems. Right, let's just wait. I mean, look, we could get a range trade from here, but that's not going to be my preference. Um, Braid Dimmer, good afternoon. Yeah, so Yeah, lifetime subscription ends end of this month, so November, so Saturday 29th, the offer ends. So pay for 1 year and get lifetime access. Where's it gone? So we're just going to sit tight and wait for the opportunity. We've already had 20 pips out of the market, guys, so we don't need to be greedy. This is the thing, right? And this is where I see so many people mess up. They try and force it, right? So you probably heard me speaking to Anna, who's on YouTube at the minute. Okay, so the way we've set up all her accounts for the way that she's going to copy from one to the other, she knows she only needs to hit a relatively small number of dollars on one account, and when it copies to all the others, she's going to have a fantastic daily revenue. Now, this is where people go wrong, in my opinion, is they trade one account and they're looking for a big return on that one account. Whereas if you just trade one and you're looking for small bits, you will find that it's easier to grow accounts because you're not chasing your tail. You're still taking the same amount of trades. You're still, instead of going for 500 quid or $1,000 on one trade, you might make 200 on one, but you're copying across four other accounts. You still get your $1,000, and it doesn't freak people. Can you copy trade live accounts? Yeah, yeah, I think I took two. Yeah, yeah, you can copy live accounts. You can copy from MT4 to MT5 to C Trader. Um, that's how we like to try and structure it for members that are working with me. I show the community how to do it, but I also, when I'm working one-on-one with people, that's what I look for them to do and how they can maximize returns by, let's say, trading at smaller lot sizes. It doesn't freak their minds out so much. Because if you see, I don't know, you're taking a trade and you've gone from trading, I don't know, 5K account, and now you're trading a funded account, and you're trading 100K or 200K, and all of a sudden you're seeing $1,000, $2,000 profit, you're going to start flipping out, going, right, what do I need to do? Do I close this? And you're going to stop trading based on rules. You're going to trade based on emotions. Um, use a, I mean, I use something called social trader tools, and most of my members will use that. Um, yeah, hey Lightning, how you doing? Yeah, so there's the link for the lifetime. Depending where you are, guys, there is an option to use Klarna, so you can pay in 3 installments. And that's always nicer to break payments up. Some countries don't accept Klarna. I don't know what they are and which ones don't, but if you wanted to take the option, that offer is available just for a few more days, and then we're back to an annual payment means an annual payment. All right. Yeah, so the giveaway, I will be doing the spin in 23 minutes. In 23 minutes, guys. Uh, See if we've had any more people jump on. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, so good morning, Mark. Good morning, guys. I wish you and everyone an awesome trading session. Thank you, Lightning. It's always nice to see your well wishers every day. Mr. Ford, good afternoon. Yeah, we've just had a nice 20 pip gain on gold and then stopped at break even. Watching for potential breakouts on the NASDQ, but we're probably going to have to wait for uh, the open, I think. That's 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 the way I'm seeing it. I think we're gonna have to wait for the open. Uh, how do you distinguish between a fake out and a breakout, patience or something else? Okay, so listen, this great question, Omar. So listen, some people will tell you they know it's going to be a breakout. No one knows it's going to be a breakout or a fake out. No one's got any ideas. You have to wait for confirmation. If people are just going to, I don't know, let's say it goes above and then sell below the low. Okay, something like that, you're you're guessing because it could come back below the low and then go back above. So the way that I would trade it is if we get a close above, first thing I'm looking for is a breakout trade. So I'll wait for my traditional rules, which is a wick down, then I'll look for the market to break the highs. If the next candle, yes, wicks down, but keeps going down and closes back below the level, then I wait for a wick up and sell the low if there's clear candle space. So it's all about if done scenarios. There's no guesswork. It's if this happens, I do this. If that happens, I do this. If that happens, I do this. And if that happens, I do nothing. So there's no guesswork. Yeah, guys, sorry, I forgot to post the link. Yeah, exactly, Omar. That's it. Otherwise, you're hoping. And as my old man used to say, there's only two hopes, Bob Hope and no hope. Yeah. So 20 minutes to go until we draw for the instant funded account. For those of you that haven't yet registered for a potential 3K to 60K instant funded account, you can do that by clicking the link that's pinned at the top of the channel or pinned at the top of the chat. So it's pinned at the top of the chat. If you want to register for a 3K giveaway account today that you can trade up to 60K, top of the chat, you'll see a pinned message. Click on that, fill out your details. So name, email, contact number, and your standard of trading, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. That's it. And then at 2 o'clock, I'm going to spin the wheel. If your name's on the list, I'll put it on the wheel and we'll spin it, and you'll be contacted, whoever the lucky winner is. So Ebenezer last week won a month's membership. Um, he will be in the community at some point today. I got a hold of him this morning. So yeah, all good. Right, while we're waiting for something to happen on these markets, tell me what your biggest challenge is. Okay, so look, this, Omar, this could be a false break based on this time frame. So resistance level, candle closes above. This one's probably gone up first before wicking down. Then it's closed back below the level. Now we can look at this. I won't, if we got a strong trend to the downside, then I'd look at a potential flip and fill that for the, no, there's not enough points, 7 points, but I will sell the low of this candle. So this will be a false break. Let's have a look. Okay, so orders in. Right, so we're triggered now. Let's put a partial TP in. 2000. Okay, so that's in 15 pips auto break even. Okay. So auto break even has been activated. Let's see. Uh, Didier, good afternoon. How are you, my friend? It's been a while. Yeah, just so happened we got one. False breaks don't come around too often, but it happened to set up for us there and then. Let's put a TP on this one over here. There we go. Okay, so what we can do for risk management here is we created a top wick. As soon as it breaks this low, we can bring our stop loss down above the high of this. So it's basically going to, well, depends where this top wick finishes, if it does finish. So if this candle now breaks the low of this candle, we're going to bring our stop down above the high of this. So you end up risking about 6 pips. Um, but obviously, the higher this moves up, the more pips we end up risking. We've got 15 minutes till we do the draw. Bobby Dazzler, thanks for the follow. Okay, and there we go. Let's bring our stop down. So risk has been reduced massively. Let's see if it can. There we go. 8, 9. Go on. Another 6 or 7 pips and we'll be at break even. Yeah, we're selling the DAX. 1.5 pips for break even. And there we go. Break even, guys. Now we're getting close to. Yeah, I'll update the stats in a mo. I'll update the stats in a mo. So we've had one win and oh, two, one win and potentially one break even or one win. Anna, maybe you can get your 0.2% now. I don't know. Close it out and you're done. Teaser, how we doing? So yeah, this is the DAX. We're selling the DAX. We're at break even now. Went 15 pips. Another 5 pips to go. 5 pips, and then we hit our T1. Come on, couple of points to go. And there we go. Two for two. 2 for 2. Easy pippins, guys. Easy pippins. Anna, break even. No problem. Yeah, German 30, DAX D40, or the DAX, they're all the same. So it used to be called the German 30, but now there's 40 companies in there. So it's just as time's gone on, the index has got more companies in there. It's the same thing. So guys, simple trading, simple rules, simple execution. Um, there we go. Just secured another 598. Um, and we've got 555 current running. So I can only keep doing this so long for you guys to keep showing you simple setups. Listen, I'm oh, let's see this. Uh, oh, Big Harvey, would you mind sharing that and tagging me on social media? That's amazing. So guys, one of our newest members of the community joined from TikTok, probably just in fact, it was the 5th of November. And he's had since joining one, two, 3 payouts, and I think 4 payouts. So awesome work, awesome work. So guys, for those of you that are sitting on the sidelines, if you really, really do want to potentially make not a career out of this, because I wouldn't say it's a career, because it's just something that can create you an extra income and give you more time. Because one thing you don't want to be doing is sitting at the screen all day. Sitting at the screen all day will drive you insane. Okay? What you want to be doing is making the most of your day. So trade the London Open, trade the US Open, then do something else in the afternoon. Um, right, let's get some 50 pips on it. So I've just shared a link there for um, an annual subscription that will give you lifetime access. So if you want to do that, guys, lifetime access, it is available. It's only going to be available this week. It's closing on Saturday. Closing on Saturday. If you've got any questions, you can send me a DM or you can send me a WhatsApp, whatever you want. Um, I'm literally here every day. Let me just have a look. Just want to. Okay, I was just testing something. I've got Magic Key. I just closed another half there, guys. I just wanted to see if it was going to work on. I've got another screen over here that's trading. I just wanted to see if. Let me try. If I click on that. So with 30 pips, so if I go to trade history, you'll see where is it? You'll see it just took another little bit out here. Okay, guys, has it been a good session for you? I'm just going to bring this down because we're going to do the draw in a minute, so I'm just going to lock in profits. Um, Feedback, guys. How much is USD are you in profit? 1600 on this account and 1340 on this one over here. So uh, this one. So all transparent. All right, if this candle breaks the low of this one, I'm going to bring the stop loss down above the high of this candle. Because, like I said, I'm going to be doing the, what am I doing? The giveaway. I'm going to be doing the giveaway in just a few moments. So let's get ready to pull it down. So I'm going to move it. There we go. It's broken the low. So look, I've done it on that one. I've done it on this one. Doing exactly the same. Yeah, extended targets down here 23,170 basically, but I'll probably get stopped out before it gets there. Yeah. So my question to you guys is, you have an option to be a lifetime member. What's your biggest concern? Why are you not jumping at it? So for the equivalent price of 10 months, you can be a lifetime member. I'm curious. Because there will be a time that these free, oh, here we go. There we go. Come on, let's have 40 points. I'll secure some of 40 points. And I'm gonna close it all on the other one. So look, I've closed, oops, I've closed it completely down on the other one here. So this one's completely closed. I closed it off. I'm just letting it run on this other one. We're about, see if we can hit the 50. See if we get the 50. Just need 3 points, 4 points. Where is it? You see, I scaled some out as well, but remember, you're never going to go broke scaling profit out, yeah? So this is a classic false break setup, and that was the trade. So Omar, August, this is DAX. It's a false break setup. It just so happened one of the guys, there we go, we've just hit 50 pips. Right, while that's happening, I'm just going to update the results. So we've had 2 wins today, 2 trades, 2 wins, and I won't be taking any more trades. There's no need. So I'll just update the stats on TikTok. Um, so 64 wins. There we go. Done. We only have a tiny little bit running on this now. Oh, what happened? It all. What did- Ah, there we go. I was just about to say, where's the trades gone? I'm just gonna bring price down because stop loss down. I don't care. I'm not. I don't want to hand money back for the sake of handing it back. Um, Mabena, thank you for sharing the live. Much appreciated. Um, what time frame is this? 5 minutes. Okay. All right. If this one just breaks the low straight away, I'm going above the high of this wick. Do you trade live every day? Yeah, every day, buddy. But like I said, after in the new year, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that down to the members to decide. I might flip to doing the London session on TikTok and YouTube for everyone, and just the US Open for members for 3, 4 days of the week and 1 day for everyone else. Ultimately, I've got to give members the best service, right? So I'm curious. No one answered me when I said, why is no one interested in taking? Uh, in fact, guys, if I don't know, Big Harvey, are you still here? Are you still online, or have you gone? Uh, Market Link is what he's under today. Are you still here? I think he might have gone. I think he's gone to count his payouts. Peanut, hello, mate. Good weekend. What's the question that's not answered? Well, let's not talk football. There we go. I'm out. Monset, what's the question that I've not answered? Yeah, how many times do you want me to say yes? Every day. Every day I'm here, 1 o'clock. But then I explained that I might not be doing it every day from January. Matako, what does that mean? Matako? Not sure. Oh, maybe for a different group. So Monset, yeah, I do trade every day live here for the general public. It is a shop window for me. Uh, Con is 2 p.m. Wait, Con's interested in the giveaway. Right, yeah, okay. It is 2 p.m. I was thinking, is he referring to? Let me see if anyone else has added their name. Right, okay, guys, this is your last chance. I'm going to give you uh 2 minutes to add your name. Let me just put the link in again. Uh, where's the? Okay, you've got 2 minutes, so I'm just going to copy this link. Bear with me a second, guys. Jesus, what's going on? Uh, copy link. Let me see if this is the right one. Uh, oh, no, that's the lifetime link. You don't want that one. Where is it? Okay, let me find it. What's going on with this damn thing? My everything is just freezing on me at the minute. 1 second, guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, bear with me a second, Con. I'm just trying to find. Right, where's the damn link? Okay. My unfortunately my damn few of my programs have just crashed. It's all the excitement around who's going to win the account. So we're just going to give it a couple of minutes because I just need to get either one of the apps opened up where I've got the link, or I just need to find the damn thing in. Okay, that's not working. All right, bear with me a second, guys. I'll get it. Okay, I'm gonna have to send it off my phone. The the giveaway is coming, guys. So if you can see the pinned message at the top, click on it. Uh, Copy and just sorry, Anna, I'm about to send you a, a message now with the link on because I can't. Okay, Anna, there we go. I'm about to lose my shit. What is going on? I hate technology. There we go. All right, TikTok. I'm just sharing the link now. Click on there. If you've already submitted your details over the past 2 months, then there's no need to do it again. YouTube, same for you guys. If you've submitted your details, no need to do it again. Um, where is it? I'm just gonna. There's a few things going on a bit wacky right now. Um, just advise everyone here to join the membership and turn up to the streams. Here, I'm proof. Cheers, buddy. That's nice. Thanks, Big Harvey. Sorry, guys, we are just having a few little technical meltdowns right now. It's all right. I'm not going anywhere, so don't worry. Uh, so, Omar, you are the last person to have registered by the looks of it. So I'm gonna do this. In fact, let me just do a test. Steve, you've already registered before, mate. I'm just gonna do a test spin off screen. I won't say who wins because I don't want to piss anyone off. Okay, so the test spin worked, but we are okay. Here we go. Let me just check. Need to make sure that's hidden. Okay, here we go, guys. All right, test spin was done. All right, wishing everyone luck. Here we go. Oh, are you kidding me? Is that well done, cat? Well done, cat. I can't believe it. That is, I think she's won it before as well. I'm sure Cat has won it before. Did Now I've never stipulated this rule, but I do kind of feel I mean, very happy for Cat. Well done. Well done, Cat. I'll be sending you, I'll be getting someone at Instant FX to contact you, and you will be getting your 3K account. So well done, guys. Well done, Cat. Congratulations. Um, so the, the test spin worked. Um, it wasn't Cat who won the test spin, by the way, just in case you were wondering. Um, I think Cat, where are you based? I'm sure she's Africa, but we'll find that out. Is there anything else left to trade? For me, I'm going to be done for the day. Um, I feel like there could be NASDAQ breakout long. I feel like there is a who's this guy that keeps dropping messages and then deleting them? Haron Kiptu, everything all right there, mate? You keep getting messages that keep getting deleted. Uh, yeah, I'm sure she was. I'm gonna have to check, but I'm sure that was the one that won it. I'm sure it was Cat that won it 3 weeks ago. I guess it's glitched. Well, that's why I did a test spin first. I always like to do a test spin. I don't even know who Cat is, to be fair. Um, so we've had different winners for. I can't help. It's a random picker, guys. I do it live here. If it was rigged, I wouldn't do it live in front of you. But yeah, I can understand the frustration. But look, it's costing you nothing. Um, put all names in ChatGPT and ask him to put out as random name. Ah, there's a there's an idea. I can do that. I can do that, but we'll have to do that for the next one. Today, I mean, look, there's never been an issue before, right? I'm just spinning it again so you can see what number comes out, what name comes out. See, it's a different name this time. So unfortunately, Ian, I wish I hadn't done that live just in case you've seen that. Uh, but yeah, Nasdaq longs look good in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, Nasdaq longs look good. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I'll stay on for this candle. Um, I'll stay on for this candle because look, if this is gonna pop, we will see a decent move. Um, yeah, so 1 minute left. 1 minute left, and then we'll be looking for a potential breakout if we can close. If it closes anywhere in this region, we'll be looking for a breakout. closed down magic keys actually. Let me just bring that back up just in case. Okay, it's not going to close above. There we go. So look. Oh, hold on. Yeah. All right, I'm going to see if it wicks down a little bit more. All right. So buy stops. So okay, partial TP 2000. Oh, okay. So um, yeah. Cheers, buddy. See you tomorrow. Uh, modify 17 minutes. Okay, so let's see where this goes. Uh, 15. Hold on a second. 25K. Nah, cancel it. Cancel it. Cancel it. Cancel it. Cancel it. Wait for another 15-minute candle. Wait for another 15-minute candle. I need a close above here. Big even number, 24,500. I'm not going to take the risk. It's not worth it. Yes, we have broken out of this, and I expect with market volume coming in. If you wanted to do a momentum entry, you could look to do it above these highs. Uh, It's like another 10, 15 points above. So just wait. Just wait. Um, this is NASDAQ, Monset. Okay, I'm going to be done for today now, guys. I'm done for today. Um, I'll be back tomorrow, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock UK time. So take care, have a good day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.